Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here and make a quick video about my Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe. This was another thing my wife and I, we registered for back in 2016. We've been using it for, it's now 2022, so this is 6 years update, and this is something I'm very, very happy with at the beginning. So this is a two-plate panini press, also griddle. There's 2 plates here that come off. See if I can do this one-handed. So there's 2 plates that come off to wash them. You've got one smooth side, which is kind of, you can do like pancakes or, quesadillas or something like that. Then you've also got this, you've got the rib side where you can do burgers, you can do paninis, get those nice little golden ridges in there. You can actually fit 4 burgers on each plate or 2 long paninis. I think if you use like a big tortilla, you can fold them over, and this will actually fit a full-size burrito tortilla if you want to do that as well. But one of my cool things about this is that down here is you can actually get really, really precise with the temperature. And when you plug them in, these lights are going to go red when you're not ready, and they're going to go green when they're up to temperature. So that's a cool little bit. If you do want to sear, it'll basically get them super, super hot. We've never used the sear, but basically it's a button. You just press the button on the sear. It'll get these, I think it's well above 500 degrees or whatever, but it's we usually cook in the 300 to 400 range, and it takes about 5 minutes to just warm up. Again, you just plug it right into the wall, and like you can see here, this stays relatively pressed, so you can get it from both sides. But my favorite part of this is this actually goes completely flat. Let me cut the camera and get it flat, and there's a little bit here. It's hard to do with one hand, so hold up. So here it is with it opened completely flat. There's just a little tab over here on the back that all you have to do is basically just hit, and then it'll release, and the whole thing will open completely flat. And the way that this is now angled, all of the grease will come towards the middle, and then it'll go into a little grease catch can right there. That's what these little bits are. So solid purchase. We use this probably 2-3 times a week. It's so convenient. And when it's like this, if you've got this, you can do 2 full quesadillas. Again, either way is flat or ribbed. And you can fit, I think, up to 8 burgers at once if you wanted to do that. If you don't have a grill, you want to cook burgers inside, it's really cold out one day, you can do it that way. Really convenient. I recommend to anybody. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.